Hello, everybody. Today we are going to talk about some famous GIS people. The first one we start will be Luc Anselin. Luc Anselin Pioneer in spatial analysis. Luc Anselin is professor at the University of Illinois, Urbana-Champaign, where he directs a spatial analysis research laboratory and holds appointments in the departments of agricultural and consumer economics, geography, and urban and regional planning. He was originally trained as an economist at the Free University of Brussels, known as VUB in Belgium, and obtained a PhD in regional science from Cornell University. Most of his career has been devoted to the development, implementation, and application of statistical and econometric methods that explicitly take into account spatial effects, spatial dependence, and spatial heterogeneity that may be present in the data. His much-cited spatial econometric 1988 was the first comprehensive treatment that outlined the methodology to test for spatial effects in regression models and how to estimate such models. Many of these methods were incorporated into his SpaceStat software package in the early 1990s. Anselin gained an interest in local statistics, particularly how they would be incorporated into software tools for exploratory spatial data analysis, known as the ESDA, exploratory spatial data analysis. He developed the concepts of Moran scatterplot and LISA test, local indicators of spatial association, and implemented them in several software tools. The latest incarnation of these tools is the popular GIS package. I first realized the power of GIS and spatial analysis as a faculty member in the Department of Geography at the University of California, Santa Barbara. I was trained as an econometrician, and even though my research dealt with spatial aspects, I had not fully realized the potential of the interface between GIS and the analytical techniques I had developed. For example, I had carried out all the instructive regressions and tests for the spatial econometrics book without ever looking at a map. When GIS tools became available, it was just mind-boggling how much more efficiently analysis will be carried out. Patterns could be readily distinguished that would take hours and hours of tabulations and regression runs. In the old ways, especially now, with the geovisualization tools of desktop GIS and ESDA software, such as Geoda. There is a potential for tremendous efficiency gains during the inductive stage of an empirical analysis, in particular when theory is of little guidance or when the object of study is at the interface of multiple disciplines. It is also nothing short of revolutionary to see how in recent years spatial analysis and the use of GIS methods have become increasingly accepted in mainstream social science.